flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes, and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Tuantinan Palms, Yucca Valley, Tuantinan Palms Base, Joshua Tree Lake Campground, Tuantinan Palms Airport, Joshua Tree in Morongo Valley. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. The National